Hello and welcome to the session on preparation of drill gauges. Before we learn about drill gauges, first let us learn about gauges. Gauges. Gauge is an inspection tool used to check product dimension with reference to its maximum and minimum acceptable limits. It is generally used to segregate acceptable and non-acceptable products in mass production without the exact dimension. Let us see some advantages in gauging. Faster checking of the product is within the specified limits. Gauges are economical when compared to measuring instruments. Instruments used for gauging: snap and ring gauge, combined gauge, plug gauge, screw pitch gauge, radius gauge. Objectives. Now let us take a look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to file thin sheet metal to size, layout on sheet metal as per drawing, file angular surface to an accuracy of plus or minus 0.05 minutes, file and finish the gauge to the shape and size as per drawing. Check the drill lap length and angle in the drill gauge. Tools required: steel rule, scriber, punch, ball peen hammer, hacksaw frame with blade, smooth file, flat, square and triangle, tri-square, vernier height gauge. Precautions to be followed. Before learning about the drilling sequence, we first need to know the precautionary measures to be followed while operating a drilling machine. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses, ear protection, and sturdy work gloves. Make sure the drilling machine is properly grounded and plugged into a grounded outlet. Check the drill bit to ensure it is in good condition and properly secured in the chuck before starting the machine. Use the correct drill bit for the material you are drilling and ensure it is properly lubricated to prevent overheating. Keep your hands, hair and loose clothing away from the rotating drill bit and other moving parts of the machine. Do not force the drill bit into the material, as this can cause the bit to break or the machine to stall. Use a clamp or other securing device to hold the material being drilled in place to prevent it from rotating or moving during the drilling process. Avoid drilling into hidden or unknown areas that may contain electrical wiring or plumbing. Turn off the drilling machine and unplug it from the outlet when finished, and remove the drill bit from the chuck. By following these precautions, you can help ensure safe and effective operations of the drilling machine and reduce the risk of injury or damage to equipment. Job sequence. Check the material size as per drawing on all the sides of the workpiece. File the metal to size 115 x 50 x 3 mm and check the size with vernier caliper on all the sides of the workpiece. Check the flatness and squareness with the tri-square. Tri-square is actually used to check whether the angle made by the two sides of square is the right angle. Apply marking media. Mark the dimensions as per drawing with vernier height gauge. Draw a line of height 8 mm, 25 mm horizontally. Draw a line of height 9 mm and 7.92 mm horizontally. Then mark a line of 16 mm, 60 mm, 78 mm and 115 mm vertically. Punch the witness marks. Saw and remove excess material by hacksawing. Make 3 relief slots as per drawing by hacksawing. Sawing is a cutting and slotting operation and performed as follows. The work is held tightly in the vise. A suitable blade is fixed with its teeth facing forward so that it cuts the material in the forward stroke. The blade is tensioned sufficiently by a wing nut. The course of a desired cut is marked by a guide line on the work and a nick or notch is made with the file. File and finish 120-degree angle using triangular file and needle file. Needle file. The needle files are available in sizes from 100 mm to 200 mm of various shapes and cuts. These files are used for fine work such as pierced design in sheet metal. Triangular file. A triangular file has width either parallel throughout or up to middle and then tapered towards the tip. Its cross section is triangular equilateral and the 3 faces are double cut and edges single cut. It is used for filing square corners and for sharpening. File and finish 31-degree angle with reference to 50 mm width side using flat triangular area needle file. File and finish 121-degree angle with flat triangular and needle file. File and finish 60-degree and 55-degree angle flat triangular and needle file. Measure the dimensions with vernier caliper. Measure the angles with vernier bevel protractor on all the sides so that the measurement is correct. Mark the graduation as per drawing with a vernier height gauge. Deepen the graduations with a carbide tool bit held in a vernier height gauge. Check the drill angle and lap depth of a drill. Apply little oil and preserve it for evaluation. Recap. We have reached the end of this session. In this session, we have learnt about how to file thin sheet metal to size, layout on sheet metal as per drawing, file angular surface to an accuracy of plus or minus 0.05, file and finish the gauge to the shape and size as per drawing, and check the drill lap length and angle in drill gauge. Hope you found this session useful. Try this with the help of your instructor. Thank you for watching this video.